Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Ticketmaster refund. So this is particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you can't make your event, or maybe you need to actually go ahead and switch the event to a different date. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way I was actually able to do this is that first let's log on to our Ticketmaster account here, and then click on upcoming events. So of course, you can only get refunded for an event which has not happened yet, but it really depends on a few certain things, guys. So here's an example, an event. If you click on this event here, it really depends on who you bought your tickets from, okay? Just because Ticketmaster is kind of like the middleman. If it allows you to refund your ticket, you should see a refund option here, but notice how when I'm control effing refund, it's not really giving me a refund option. Now, the next thing to do though is that if you need help with your order, you would simply just click on chat. And so this is the route that I took. And I actually spoke with a Ticketmaster representative and they helped me actually refund my tickets. So it's really dependable, guys. Be patient with Ticketmaster just because they are a nationwide company, so they probably deal with a lot of questions. But once you click on this chat window, you would simply just follow the kind of automated prompts and try to speak to a representative as far as how to get your refund. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get a Ticketmaster refund. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.